morning, TJ, and welcome to today's edition of TJ TV News. My name is Garv.
And my name is Sahishnu. Today is Tuesday, October 6th.
For those who signed up for TJ Talks, groups were sorted and assembled last week. You should have received an email detailing the members of your group, and group facilitators should have received 2 emails, with one containing instructions on how to get your group started. Please be sure to check your personal email and your junk box if needed.
Orchestra and band are some of the largest teams at TJ, requiring months of practicing and rehearsing for concerts. But with the pandemic inhibiting large gatherings, this has created some obstacles for the music department at TJ. Teachers and students articulate how they have adapted to the online music class format.
With the pandemic restricting large gatherings, students in band and orchestra are obligated to practice in a virtual space. Yet some, including Savar Srivastava, have concerns.
It's hard to stay in sync with other people. You can't really look at other seniors, and you can't listen to what other people are playing.
But it's not just students dissatisfied with this online format, as Allison Bailey notes the challenges of recreating this rehearsal experience.
Music is a team sport, like athletics. And so the thing that we're encountering is that we can't do what we were supposed to be doing as a team.
Yet she recognizes that this online format allows students to hone skills as individuals and sharpen their repertoire.
Even if the team isn't meeting, the conditioning is important. So it's important that the students maintain their musical skills and not let them sag during 6, 8, 10, 12 months of not being together.
Srivastava agrees, identifying some of the advantages to this year's marching band.
You have a better clarity of sound from the instructors themselves. So you can watch the marching techniques up close and you can listen to just the instructor playing instead of listening to the instructor along with everyone else. So you can hear what you're supposed to hear.
Another student, symphonic orchestra member Grace Cha, is hopeful that she can dive deeper into her pieces since there's no preparation for upcoming concerts.
I think we'll probably cover more of like music theory. It's just more of like the music in general and like the different signs and the meanings of each of the words that are in the music.
Nevertheless, orchestra won't be just limited to learning about music history, score reading, and time signatures. Cha shares what the class format has been like.
We'll practice just like by instruments, so the cellos will like get into like a breakout room and like basses, violins, violas, etc. And just kind of just get to know each other as a section and just be able to like practice together, maybe one-on-one.
However, for Cha, playing music is challenging alone. She's been trying to meet with other instrumentalists near her to recreate this sensation.
You share an emotional connection with like the other players around you when you get together and play in person versus, seeing each other through a screen. There's just that barrier.
To that end, Steve Ballard leaves some cautioning advice for what this school year is shaping up to be.
Innovation is born out of necessity. And this is a situation where we're inventing the wheel from the get-go. Everything we're doing, we're building the plane as it's hurtling down the runway. And so we're either going to figure out how to attach a wing or something bad is going to happen.
Don't forget to follow our Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For TJ TV News, this is Garv Jain.
And Sahishnu Hanuman Seti. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next week.